gonna do is we're gonna find the center of gravity of these forks, okay? Alright, so what we're gonna do, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wedge these forks together, okay? And what I'm doing is I'm just sliding them along the table together until they get in there nice and tight together. And fine, so they can sit like that together, okay? Okay. Then I'm gonna grab one of these toothpicks and I'm gonna wedge that baby nice and tight in there. See if I can get me a. Oops, I broke one. But we're gonna wedge this in here until we get a tight fit in there. Let's see. And what I'm trying to do is just find something that I can stick into that one. It's not working. It might take more than one. You got toothpicks at home?
Yeah.
You got toothpicks at home, okay. So you can do this when you get home, huh? Let me try some different forks. These are fit together kind of fun. What's happening? Okay. All right. Let's see. Take them apart. I'm just pushing these together. They form a nice tight edge. And I'm gonna find me a spot where I can stick me a toothpick in there.
Broke it.
No, I didn't break it. It came apart. And it's not gonna now. You were seeing something about science that I had to learn. Every time you do something, it's not gonna be perfect the first time. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta play with it, or the second time sometimes. You have to play with it. Sometimes you have to break something. And Mama didn't like that, but that's part of science. If you aren't careful, yes you can. Okay. You do it like that. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can fit that in there tight. What'd you say, Mama? Yeah, I just had it working. I'm gonna try this one more time here. Alright, I think we got us a winner now. Okay. Let's see if we can find us a center of gravity. So now we balance forks on a toothpick on a glass. Now, where's that center of gravity, you ask? Well, we about to find out. So what I'm gonna do, you can't do this without supervision. I'm about to light this up, and what you think's gonna happen?
You better watch out for that whole thing.
You think the fork's gonna fall off?
No. Yeah.
When that fire burns down on there, it burns that whole toothpick off. What you think's gonna happen?
It's gonna blow up.
You think it's gonna blow up?
No.
Hold on, don't move. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Do it again.
Huh? Look at that. Where'd the toothpick go? Did you see that? A toothpick. Now stand up, back away from the table without touching it. Without touching it. Okay. Now. Hold on, don't touch this table. Well, look how much of that toothpick is holding that glass on. Just that tiny bit. Now, what that means is that the center of gravity between this forks and the glass isn't back here on this end of the toothpick. It's not out here somewhere. The center of gravity is between this little piece and these forks. It's in the empty space between them. So the center of gravity of an object isn't always, hold on, don't touch the table, isn't always where that object, or in that object. It's between the object, sometimes it's between the object and whatever is being balanced with, like a pendulum. Okay? So you can see that there's no matchstick on this side of the glass. Everybody see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you do it without the toothpick?
Huh?
Can you do it without the toothpick?
Without the toothpick, I can do something without the toothpick, but I just wanted to show you so you could see how the center of gravity is. All right, everybody.
Little bitty piece of toothpick holding
It's because that center of gravity is over in the middle somewhere, in the distance between the forks and the toothpick, between the glass and the forks.
Like when you're standing on one foot.
When you're standing on one foot, you're decreasing the amount of area that we normally have to stand on, but you can still stand on one foot. You can stand on one toe if you can balance yourself right. So this is like standing on one toe for those forks. All right. All right.